SAP ERP Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions, 70 CETA. Master SAP ERP Enterprise Resource Planning and gain expertise in enterprise business processes, finance, logistics, human resources, supply chain, procurement, sales, production, and integrated business operations using SAP solutions. Our comprehensive SAP ERP training program is designed to help professionals understand how organizations manage core business functions through SAP modules. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world ERP processes, SAP transactions, business workflows, and cross-module integration. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The Mastering SAP ERP program is designed to empower individuals and organizations to get the most out of SAP ERP. The program is based on the expertise of experienced practitioners who have implemented SAP in various settings. The program's flexible structure allows for customization to meet the needs of different-sized organizations. The program has been successful in helping individuals achieve their career goals and organizations increase their operational efficiency. Here is the rewritten text. Vistasparks Solutions empowers individuals to take control of their digital future. Our team of experts bridges the SAP skills gap, providing an industry-aligned curriculum that delivers real-world confidence through hands-on learning. With practitioner expertise trainers who bring live project experience from real enterprise SAP implementations, we offer scalable learning solutions that cater to any scale or complexity. Our proven outcomes include SAP certification success and industry placement, backed by our alumni community. The company offers a range of training programs to help individuals master SAP. The training programs are designed to bridge the skills gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. The curriculum is tailored to meet the specific needs of enterprises, focusing on delivering real-world experience through hands-on learning. The training includes access to live SAP server environments, allowing learners to develop practical skills in a realistic setting. The program also provides expert-led sessions that cater to individual growth and corporate scaling, offering flexibility and scalability for learners. The training program offered by this company provides a unique opportunity for individuals to develop their skills and knowledge in SAP. The program is designed to be highly effective, with a focus on personalized guidance and flexible scheduling. This approach ensures that participants are able to tailor their learning experience to suit their individual needs and circumstances. The program also includes hands-on practice in real-world SAP environments, which helps to build practical confidence and prepares participants for the demands of the job market. In addition to the core training elements, the program offers a range of additional services to support participants throughout their career journey. These include interview preparation, resume coaching, and placement assistance, all aimed at helping participants to secure employment and advance their careers. By providing these extra resources, the company demonstrates its commitment to supporting the long-term success of its participants. Overall, the training program is an excellent choice for anyone looking to develop their SAP skills and knowledge. Its flexibility, effectiveness, and comprehensive support make it an attractive option for professionals and students alike. Whether you are a working professional seeking to enhance your career prospects or a student looking to gain valuable work experience, this program has something to offer. Our corporate training programs are designed to meet the needs of organizations seeking to improve their overall performance and competitiveness. These programs focus on developing skills and knowledge that enable employees to work effectively together as a cohesive unit. By providing a comprehensive understanding of our products and services, we help organizations to better understand how they can leverage them to drive business results. Our training solutions cater to various industries and sectors, including manufacturing, healthcare, and finance. SAP ERP systems are designed to support the needs of large organizations with complex business processes. They provide a wide range of tools and functionalities to manage and optimize various aspects of the business. The system is structured around several key components, including procurement, finance, and operations. These components work together to create an integrated system that supports the entire organization. The system also incorporates enterprise integration concepts and data flow fundamentals to facilitate communication and collaboration among employees across different departments. The world of materials management is all about optimizing the flow of goods, services, and information throughout the entire supply chain. At Vistasparks Solutions, we can help you master the full procurement lifecycle and inventory management workflows that keep enterprise supply chains running efficiently. Our expert trainers will guide you through the complexities of procurement cycles, vendor relationship management, and logistics workflows, ensuring seamless integration with finance and sales departments. By mastering these critical processes, you'll be able to streamline inventory movements, accurately value stock, and handle goods receipt and issue processes with ease. With Vistasparks Solutions, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this vital area of business operations. The sales and distribution module is crucial for any organization that wants to succeed in today's competitive market. To achieve success, an organization must be able to manage its entire order-to-cash process, which includes everything from initial customer inquiries to final billing. The module also involves several key components such as pricing procedures, shipping point determination, and delivery management. Moreover, it covers billing, credit management, and customer account reconciliation. By mastering the sales and distribution module, businesses can significantly reduce their operational costs and increase their efficiency. Furthermore, the module provides a thorough understanding of the order-to-cash process, enabling organizations to streamline their operations and improve their overall performance. The SAP Project Systems module is designed to help organizations plan, execute, and monitor complex projects using the SAP platform. This module provides a comprehensive framework for managing projects, including the Work Breakdown Structure, WBS, and Network Activity Planning. By utilizing this module, organizations can effectively link scope, budget, and timelines in a unified system, ensuring efficient project execution and timely completion. The module also covers key aspects such as project budgeting, cost planning, and resource allocation, allowing users to optimize their project resources and minimize costs. Furthermore, it offers real-time execution tracking and milestone management tools, enabling users to stay on top of project progress and identify potential issues early on. With its robust features and functionality, the SAP Project Systems module is an essential tool for any organization looking to streamline its project management processes. Grow. The EHS module is a critical component of any organization's operations. In this module, we will navigate the complex world of workplace safety, regulatory compliance, and environmental responsibility within the SAP system. This includes regulatory compliance frameworks and safety data sheet management. The module also covers systematic risk assessment and hazard identification workflows, as well as incident management, audit trails, and corrective action protocols. By mastering these essential processes, organizations can ensure a safe and sustainable work environment while minimizing risks and costs. Through the use of SAP, companies can streamline their EHS efforts, improve efficiency, and reduce the likelihood of costly fines and penalties. Our comprehensive training program will guide you through the intricacies of EHS management, providing you with the knowledge and skills necessary to effectively manage workplace safety and environmental sustainability. The integration of various business functions within an organization can have a significant impact on overall performance. By connecting finance, controlling, human capital, and logistics into a single system, organizations can streamline processes, reduce costs, and improve decision-making. This unified ecosystem enables seamless communication and data exchange between different departments, fostering collaboration and efficiency. As a result, businesses can respond more effectively to changing market conditions and customer needs, ultimately leading to increased competitiveness and profitability. The company's transformation journey began with a thorough analysis of its current state, identifying areas for improvement and opportunities for growth. The organization recognized the need for a more efficient and effective way of operating, driven by the desire to increase profitability and competitiveness. A comprehensive review of existing systems and processes revealed significant inefficiencies and waste, including manual errors, redundant procedures, and operational silos. These issues hindered the organization's ability to respond quickly to changing market conditions and customer needs. To address these challenges, the company implemented a range of initiatives aimed at streamlining operations, reducing costs, and improving decision-making. Vistasparks offers a range of services including SAP training, placement assistance, and career guidance. The company has extensive experience in implementing SAP solutions in real-world enterprises. Their trainers are well-versed in providing practical knowledge and expertise. The company's scalable learning options allow it to accommodate different group sizes and complexities. This flexibility enables them to tailor their training programs to meet the specific needs of each client. Vistasparks has a proven track record of delivering successful SAP certifications and placements in the job market. Their alumni community provides a network of experienced professionals who can offer valuable advice and support. This combination of practitioner expertise, scalable learning, and proven outcomes makes Vistasparks an attractive option for individuals seeking SAP training. The company offers a range of services including career development, recruitment, and talent management. The company's focus on career development is evident in its commitment to providing comprehensive training programs that cater to various industries and job roles. These programs are designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills to excel in their careers from day one. The company also provides support for those seeking to transition into new careers or industries. The digital landscape is rapidly evolving, and the SAP ecosystem is no exception. However, as technology accelerates, it's essential to recognize that your skills must not only keep pace, but also stay ahead of the curve. This means embracing a culture of continuous learning and development. In today's fast-paced business environment, digital transformation is not simply about acquiring new software. Rather, it begins with building individual and organizational capability. This involves fostering a culture of learning, where employees can develop their skills and contribute to the organization's overall success. By investing in continuous SAP learning, organizations can gain a competitive edge. They can achieve this through various means, including agility, compliance, and operational excellence. These factors enable companies to respond effectively to changing market conditions, maintain regulatory compliance, and optimize their operations for maximum efficiency. Ultimately, the path forward for individuals and organizations alike requires a commitment to ongoing learning and development. By doing so, we can empower ourselves and our organizations to thrive in an increasingly complex and dynamic world. SAP skills are essential for transforming your future. Mastering these skills will enable you to take control of your career and make informed decisions about your professional development. With our personalized one-len learning paths, you can focus on areas that need improvement and accelerate your progress. Live SAP Access provides real-time feedback and guidance, helping you stay on track and overcome obstacles. Career placement support ensures that you have the necessary tools and resources to secure your desired job. Our corporate training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of your organization, guaranteeing compliance readiness and maximizing return on investment. By working together, we can help you achieve your goals and realize your full potential. Our expert trainers will guide you through the process, providing valuable insights and practical advice. With our support, you can transform your future and unlock new opportunities.